All right, so I'm here in Innotech 2011 with Steve Gehlen for the GM Global E-commerce for Icebreaker, and you just got wrapped up your presentation today. How'd it go?
Good. The room was full. Small room, but it was full. And we were talking about the story of how Icebreaker had doubled e-commerce revenue over the last 18 months. And a lot of other variables were sort of controlled. In other words, the only change was really how we applied e-marketing to the problem of growing revenue. And so we just told the story of how we did that with an e-marketing mix, how we resourced it, how we focused on piloting and then looking at results and tweaking from there. So I think it went pretty well.
Excellent. What are the contributors to that huge amount of growth over the years? Is there one thing that you can kind of say drove that?
Yeah, I use the analogy of your marketing mix to how chord structures work inside of songs. And so you always kind of have this root chord that you start with and that you end with. And for us, email was pretty rapidly, it became obvious email was our root and our go-to channel for some pretty, we can really count on email to generate results for us from our list. So we focused on that. Then we added search marketing into the mix, and we learned about that. And then we added affiliates, and we learned about that. And then all channels grew as a result of that process.
Excellent. So how about social media? How did that treat you?
Yeah, so social we found was really good for consumer service response and good for sort of highlighting things that we sort of hoped were going to make it into the media or be picked up by other bloggers. But we found that difficult, at least for now. We haven't quite figured out how to use it to drive some measurable revenue. So we're still going to be piloting on social and trying new things to crack that code.
Well, excellent. We'll be eager to hear how that turns out. So thank you so much.
Thanks.